Welcome to the Breadson Ovens Company. Today we're going to be making a spinach, tomato, bacon, and cheese twist. You will need some bacon, tomato paste, fresh spinach, and some shredded mozzarella, as well as about a kilo of fresh pizza dough. And we're going to start by rolling out the pizza dough very gently while trying to not pop any bubbles. You want to stretch your dough as square as possible. And we're going to cut it in half. Make sure you flour it well so it doesn't stick too much. So you're going to pick the thicker one of the two, and you're going to put a thin layer of tomato paste. And to come pretty close to the edge without necessarily coming out. And then we're going to put bacon. We're going to put the cheese. Shredded cheese is great. Use fresh mozzarella as well. And then the fresh spinach. And try to keep it at about the center, not it will tend to fall out. You're going to take your dough and you simply flip it over. Make sure it's nice and loose. Then you want to make sure kind of level it out a little bit. And then you cut it in strips about equal. And then you file your strips best you can without losing it. You have a small one, it goes on top of the big one. And then with the back of your scraper, kind of nicely push down. So I'm going to put some olive oil on the baking tray. And you gently spread it out before putting the twist in the tray. So you're going to twist it the best you can. And then you bake it in the oven.